Hi, welcome to Building a Boat by the River, where my partner and I are building a 41-foot wooden sailing vessel in southern Tasmania. In this episode we head up to a local Foundry APCO and hang out with a mould maker, Shane, who we were lucky enough to chase around with a camera and to pick his brains on the process of making moulds and pouring silicon bronze for our new hardware. We start from something as simple as this plywood pattern that we've made ourselves. This is called a Kranz iron and goes on the end of the bowsprit, and end up with something slightly heavier and more expensive, a bronze Kranz iron that is yet to be polished and cleaned up, but we are very happy with the end product.
This one?
Yeah, that one's the one we don't know how you're going to do, but...
Because it's also
play with the middle, yeah. Be left, yeah.
It should be, yeah, it's tapered.
Yeah, fair bit.
Yeah. Coffee time?
Yeah.
Nice.
I'll just put a bit of this stuff on it.
yeah.
Hope it doesn't affect your paint though.
No, we'll find out.
Because sometimes this stuff will affect the...
Yeah, it's just enamel paint.
Because it goes the opposite effect. It can make it go real sticky.
Oh, I get ya. Yep.
Yeah. This is just like a... Well, it's called slip coat for a reason. So.
Yep, makes sense.
Makes it slippery.
Yeah. So they come out of the mould a bit easier.
Yeah.
Still trying to get me head around how I'm going to make it, but...
I know, that's what we're thinking too. Yeah, it's a complicated shape.
That'll harden up in no time.
This is a different colour sand. Is that because it hasn't been burnt yet?
No, this is new sand.
Oh, it's new stock.
Yeah, the other stuff's reclaimed. This
okay.
sand is a lot better for this sort of stuff.
Oh, yep.
It's easy to work with.
Yep.
It gets a better finish. So.
Yep. Yep.
Oh.
Whoa.
That'll come out alright. So.
Far out.
Those will be the, is that the locator or the...
That'll locate on these pins, these ones here. But this will be in the drag. So when the top comes down, the metal will go down there. Put a square filter in there.
Yeah.
That'll run along there, and then I'll put an in-gate in the side there.
Yeah. So that's where the metal's going to come in, come out,
Yeah,
connect
yeah, it's going to come from the top and down. So.
Okay.
I see you just stack these boxes together and then that's it.
Yeah, they'll stay together.
Yeah, right.
The flash part and powder.
Yeah. Oh, the powder. Yeah.
Calcium carbonate, all that is.
Yeah.
That's so that the sand comes off?
Yeah, just so that the sand won't stick to that.
Yeah.
It's just a parting powder too.
Yeah. Different colour. hardener and a resin.
Yeah. And I just got to joint that so it's down that line, and it's pretty easy. That's enough for what we need. We'll roll that over.
Oh, wowzers.
Come out already, come out of my thought.
Whoa. Huh.
Let's go down to that joint line.
Oh, that corner.
Yeah. We have a lot of different sand too. We have a zircon sand, which is really fine.
Yep.
We have another sand called
Oh, that grey stuff.
oh, it's black.
Black.
Yeah.
Oh, it's shiny.
Yeah.
It's like glitter.
It is actually.
Wow.
That's called chromite. And that comes from South Africa, that stuff.
Whoa. And what do you cast? What metal do you cast with that?
We use that to pour the cut in some jobs where the metal thickness is thick in one spot and thin in the other.
Okay.
So we put that around the thicker point.
Okay.
So that's real dense. So that actually the metal freezes off quicker in that area than it does the other area.
Yep.
Yeah.
So that's just another complexity to casting, I guess.
Yeah. And then we've got zircon sand, which is finer than that again, which is I've been using that lately on our course. Now on how far I can go down. Now I'll just round that out.
So it can come out. Now I get ya.
Yeah.
Took me a little bit, but
It's making a bit of sense now.
you're making.
Oh, and that's why you put those pen marks there.
Yeah.
The widest
Because that's the widest part. Because this has got to come out that way. It wouldn't come out that way if.
Yep.
Well, you got to go to the widest point.
Yeah. Go down to the widest point.
Yeah, because this sand, there's no giving it. Whereas
Yeah.
years ago, we used to make everything out of what they call a green sand.
Yeah. Okay.
It was a black sand, like a normal started off like this. You would use it over and over.
Yeah.
Just keep adding a bit of bentonite and add a bit of
Yeah.
coal dust to it.
Yeah.
Very precise work, isn't it?
Yeah. When I pull that out of there, that should come out with the cod in the top.
Well, we hopefully live in a perfect world, I guess.
Will. The other one fell out anyway, so
Yeah.
that's a lot of tape on that. Some of them you get bugger all taper.
Yeah.
Over 6 inches, lucky to get 1 or 2 mil.
Yeah. And that makes it harder.
That's over both sides, so
Yeah.
So I'll just wrap that up with that in there. That'll hold that cod together.
Yep.
Get another box on there.
What are they for? They are just to hold the.
Well, because it's thick down through there,
Yeah.
any shrinkage you're going to have is going to be in that point there. The whole job's going to be trying to suck it in there.
Yeah.
So it's just that'll well, hopefully.
Oh, that's where you pour a bit extra in.
Hopefully, we pour it down here,
Yeah.
but that'll come up there, hopefully, and that should stop anything we may have. You might get. Hopefully they get no shrinkage in there, but silicon bronze is pretty good.
I don't mind a little bit of shrinkage actually, because we can machine it anyway.
Yeah. No, you shouldn't have any.
Yeah.
sand's just starting to go off now.
Oh yeah. Oh no, this bit's not.
See when they poured that metal there, when you do silicon bronze, you just go to here when they pour these?
We hope so.
Yeah, that's
Tomorrow.
It looks like water.
Oh really?
Look how thin it is, yeah.
Yeah, right. So it's probably better to pour with than if it's thin.
Yeah, I like silicon bronze.
Yep. Look at that. Ah. So that's your, funny.
That's the bit we had it, we
Got to keep that there.
but these days he's permanent, he's part of the top now.
Yeah, you just don't want to put it down.
Come out pretty good actually.
It looks great, yeah. Yeah, it looks really good. Oh, this is so you can get it out.
Yeah. certain stage where it's there.
Yeah, it's not.
Wow.
I'm actually so surprised that worked.
You're surprised?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Might mean you guys have a look at it and see if I can make it easier. That's amazing, love it.
Yeah, so that's just an ingate.
Yep.
That's the channel. The metal is going to come in.
Yeah. Through there, you don't want too big, otherwise it'll...
Yeah.
What was this coat?
This is a zircon-based paint.
Zircon base.
Graphite based, this one.
Graphite.
Yeah, this is a mostly non-ferrous.
Do you light this too to dry it out?
Yeah, yeah. It looks nice there once you burn it, but that gets rid of most imperfections.
Oh, it looks good, yeah.
Oh, this is to get it smoother.
Yeah, yeah. And no, it stops any burning. Any burning when you pour it.
Yeah.
Stops the burnout when you pour it.
get this running.
I've heard we got a pretty good deal on power.
Oh, really?
Locked in for a while.
A good deal locked in. Yeah.
That's the beep you can hear, Matt. It's a
Yeah.
frequency.
It's definitely recognisable, that beat.
Yeah.
I thought it was an audible warning that this was on.
Oh, they're the breakers down there, those big heads.
So each one is a different furnace. So you turn one on, turn the next one on. If you're going to use one. So you've got your, that one's actually powered by that one there.
Okay.
Runs a lot more power again.
Oh, really?
So that's, I believe, 250 kilowatts running through that.
Wow.
This one's only 150.
Yeah, right. Wow.
Yeah, so that one powers those two furnaces.
Yeah.
Sort of some days.
I can imagine watching this one for a while gets a bit old, but yeah, a little bit.
Some of the bigger stuff in the bigger furnaces that, you got 2.5 hours of constant going with them, they're more interesting than this.
Yeah. And then the idea, from what I can tell, is you guys are going to try and fill this up quite a bit to see what you can pour with.
Yep.
And you make it up as you go.
Bit of a guessing game, that one.
Yeah.
2 inches down from the top is full.
2 inches down from the top. Okay.
Try to. We can fill it up, but the fuller you go, the more comes out as you go to pour it. So you keep it down, it's a little easier.
Yeah.
Is there like a theory to the actual pour, like the speed of which the metal runs at?
Yes, you don't want to go too slow because if the metal cools off, it'll sort of create a fold inside the job.
Yeah.
Does that make sense? So you want to get it in there sort of as fast as you can, and then that way sort of it flows, fills up, and then the idea is that it's a full job once it's done.
Yeah.
If you go too slow, it may freeze off before it fills up, and
It
you'll
would
end up with
start to
bits missing.
cool down,
yeah. Like those sand moulds, they're not heated before we pour anything in them, so they do sort of cool things down a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Some jobs we do need to heat the moulds up before we even pour them, just to make sure that it flows.
How long can you walk around with this crucible for before it's too cold to pour?
Couldn't tell you.
But you got a while, or?
Every metal is different. They all have a sort of a time, I guess you could say, from a melting point to a freezing point.
Yep. But if you picked this one up, you'd have like 5 minutes maybe?
Yeah, would get through all of them, and I wouldn't go much more. It would start to freeze off, and you could still pour jobs, it just may not get through it.
As good. It's not as liquid based. It's not as,
starts to solidify just a little bit.
Yeah.
And generally, by the time you're back over here, we've got time to pour it into pig moulds, and that's done.
It's so odd. And then these are just bits. Oh, this is the thing you was talking about. So they're the little pouring pieces.
Yeah, so essentially inside the mould, that's probably a better example. So we'd pour down your runner edge. That's the cone-shaped runner edge on most of them.
Yeah.
Goes into it. That's a filter in there, so you can't see it. It's casting metal, but runs through a filter to stop any
Oh,
of
that's
the
that little
stuff.
meshy thing you were showing us.
They are ceramic filters. So
Wow.
runs through them. The idea of that running into your job as well, so that's your job, is that if anything does go through that in sand, it actually runs to the end and gets held at the end there before it runs into your job.
You call them runaways?
What did he had a name for these things?
Runner bar.
Runner bar.
Yep. You've got your runner head, your down sprue, and then sieve, and then you've got a runner bar and an ingate.
Runner head, down screw, the runner bar, ingate. You said that a lot, so that's the entry for the bronze, basically. I mean, you'd be pretty.
Took me a long time to remember.
I reckon you'd be in a bit of trouble if you couldn't recycle this as well, because there's so much like in that.
A lot of wastage.
Yeah, a lot of wastage that you got to cut off and go
Luckily,
again.
those filters as well, they float.
So there'll be a filter in these that will float up.
Yeah, so it'll float, and then once we actually pull it out, we'll use one of the bars there to skim the burner.
Yep.
Clean off all of the stuff
Wow.
on top.
Clean the slag off, yeah.
is.
I don't know.
If you look on the screen up there, that gives us temperature.
That's the temperature there. 1,000 degrees Celsius.
1,065.
Man, that's hot.
We're going 1220.
1220.
1220. Okay, so you got to get it up to that
Up to
temperature.
1220, and that's called tapping temperature. When we get it out, that's tapping.
Wow. So that just has a glass tube with a tiny wire that reads the temperature. Up to how hot? How hot do you get the cast iron and stainless?
Cast iron, we generally go maximum about 1450, 1,450 degrees
Celsius, right.
With stainless steels, generally about 1650.
Wow.
Mild steels are 1680.
Wow.
They're
And it must
sort of
take a
one
while.
hotter
Like,
ones.
I feel like it would take longer to start going into molten form as well,
It is.
wouldn't it?
Generally takes about 2 hours to fully melt steel.
Yeah. Wow.
That's about 350 kilos.
Yeah, right.
That's not a lot.
Oh, not a lot.
Sorry.
Got that red knife.
Very small.
Well, these are bigger. Huh?
How many dogs do you have then?
3.
Oh yeah, you got 3.
3 dogs, 2 cats and a horse. Or 2 horses.
You got a horse?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
So what are these things called again? These are the risers.
Oh, runnerheads.
Runnerheads.
Whatever you want to call them.
And the top of a thing is called the...
Cope.
And the bottom is...
Drag.
Drag.
That one hasn't got a cope.
Why is it cope and drag? Don't know.
That's tradition.
It's tradition. I respect that. You can say that.
It could go back hundreds of
Yeah. Cope and drag, riser.
Think of dragging it along the ground.
Dragging along the ground, coping with it. And that is a hammer.
Yeah, I don't know where that come from. Cope and drag. That's
Cope and drag.
Long before our time.
yeah. Way.
Sad. All that food.
And
There
somewhere
goes the
in
coat.
there.
Yeah.
And that's it. All that effort smashed into. So you use the new sand around it and filled in with the older sand by the looks of it. It's still warm, you can feel it, can't you?
Yeah.
That looks really good though. That's cool. Amazing.
Not really.
Not really, once you see it a million times you kind of get sick of it.
So I did these out a bit of coarse sand, a bit of zircon sand too. So
Ah, yeah.
you'll get your you get a finer finish. You get a better finish on your
Oh, yeah. Oh, that looks really good in the groove, doesn't it?
yeah. Ooh. Very hot.
She is hot. That
Yeah,
looks
so-
really impressive. Not much cleaning to be done. They're very smooth.
How shiny you want them.
Yeah.
You don't reckon, Shane, that the first one we made would be cool enough or not yet?
No, that's quite hot.
Super hot.
That's
yeah.
the thickest
Sand
one.
is a very good
Oh, is it in a
insulator.
big one?
Yeah.
Sand is a very good insulator, you see. It keeps it hot. And it's got 6 inches.
It wouldn't move out of that at all. You
Gotta
mean
be
the cone
patient.
thing? I thought we put it in a little one. No.
Gotta be.
Oh, that's that one.
Oh, that one.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll cast him nicely and whatever.
Well, I'll just see. I'll let him cool down a minute and see if he thinks it's worth it.
What's that?
You can almost see how it all works now, can't you? You can see like it tracks down.
That's what I'm a bit worried about. You do realise I've had to destroy the camera.
All your trade secrets are on here
The
now.
trade secrets.
Well, Shane did a
Well, I
full...
remember, I'll forget anyway.
We're going to take Shane to the pub and get the real trade secrets, you know.
So they're all run through a filter as well.
Yeah, so the filter's in that.
Yeah,
Now
yeah.
I'm starting to get the understanding of it.
Yeah.
Now. It makes a bit more sense.
And they're getting melted down.
Yeah, we saw. Yeah, the filters sort of blobbed their way to the top. Yeah.
Before today's, they used to put a big riser on the outside of it and you bring it in and it'd spin.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
any drossets go to the centre and the
Yeah.
clean metal will go into the casting.
Oh wow.
No, filter's a good idea.
Yeah, filters were a clever idea.
What they do is suspend it out of rubber foam
Yeah.
and they soak it all in ceramic,
Ceramic.
wet ceramic solution like clay.
Okay. Yeah.
And then they cook it,
Yeah.
dry it, burn the foam out, and end up with this
Ceramic thing. Yeah. Right. Interesting.
Don't run it.
But you don't recycle them, do you? No. They're
that?
one.
No,
No, one off.
So one.
They just
Yeah.
roll it.
Very exciting. Very interesting.
Well, we'll have to send you the link because you'll be the star of the show.
Oh, jeez.
What was your apprenticeship in?
Mould.
Moulding.
Moulding. So it's just a moulding apprenticeship. Wow. Alright, we'll probably leave these guys. Hey, thanks so much, everyone. A massive thanks to APCO Foundry and Shane for letting us tag along and document the process of casting the moulds. And a big thanks to everyone who has donated to our PayPal fundraiser for the castings, our patrons, and you, the viewers. So thank you.